Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed viewers, I welcome you to an enlightening review presented by myself, John Waite. Join me on an intriguing exploration of the world of internet marketing. Your presence here today is highly valued, and I am honored to have you with me. Are you ready to catapult your income to extraordinary heights, reaching an impressive $10,000 per month? I urge you to click on the first link in the description and gain access to the transformative 100K Alliance, a community that thrives on excellence. Now, let us delve into this compelling review, where I present not just one or two, but an impressive array of 4 exceptional bonuses that will undoubtedly captivate your attention. Our first bonus provides a gateway to a vast network of 250,000 engaged email subscribers, replenishing your list each and every Friday. I offer precise guidance and reveal valuable strategies to effectively tap into this valuable resource. Additionally, I present a self-hosted autoresponder solution, allowing you to optimize your email marketing capabilities without incurring exorbitant expenses. Witness the power of these invaluable tools as you propel your email marketing endeavors to unprecedented levels of success. However, the excitement does not end there. Prepare to be enthralled by our second bonus, a remarkable traffic method that resonates within the marketing landscape, even in the ever-evolving year of 2023. Experience an influx of targeted traffic flooding your offers, blogs, and websites, igniting exponential growth and amplifying your online presence. Embrace this transformative opportunity and become a driving force in your industry. But that is not all. Our third bonus unlocks the potential within the realm of YouTube. I am delighted to share strategies that will position your videos at the pinnacle of search results, enabling you to garner substantial views, engagement, and a loyal subscriber base. Embrace this chance to solidify your presence on one of the most influential platforms, propelling your brand to unprecedented levels of recognition and success. Last but certainly not least, our fourth bonus offers an exclusive chance to promote Empire, a premium product crafted by my esteemed mentor. By aligning yourself with this flagship offering, you'll seize the opportunity to earn a compelling 100% commission throughout the entire sales funnel. Embrace the prestige and financial rewards that accompany the promotion of this exceptional product. Now, esteemed guests, the time has come to embrace the limitless possibilities that await, but allow me to offer a gentle reminder. The path to success begins with a single click. Follow the first link in the description to join the ranks of the 100K Alliance, a reputable haven for aspiring achievers. And if you are eager to obtain the product under scrutiny, do not hesitate. Click on the second link to embark on an unparalleled journey of growth and enlightenment. Secure your seatbelts, dear viewers, as we engage in a thrilling expedition toward prosperity and fulfillment. Thank you for your presence, and I eagerly anticipate our shared pursuit of excellence.
Welcome to the future of AI-driven business success. Discover AutoPromptKit. Ever wondered why some businesses just get it with AI while others seem to be playing catch-up? Picture this. You're at the helm of your business, navigating through the choppy waters of modern marketing. You know there's a treasure trove of potential with AI, but it feels like you're missing a secret map. That's where AutoPromptKit sails in. Not just as a tool, but as your AI compass, leading you to uncharted territories of business success. Imagine you're sitting at your desk, staring at a blank screen, wondering how to make your next marketing campaign resonate with your audience. You're not alone. This is the story of countless entrepreneurs in the digital age, struggling to find that perfect alignment between their brand's voice and the ever-evolving demands of the market. This is where AutoPromptKit steps in, turning your struggles into strides. The challenge is clear. How do you leverage AI, specifically ChatGPT, to not just communicate but captivate? Enter AutoPromptKit. It's not just another tool in your arsenal. It's your secret weapon. With its precision-engineered prompts tailored to your brand's unique narrative, AutoPromptKit transforms every ChatGPT interaction from mere conversations to impactful conversions. Custom-crafted content. Imagine content that doesn't just speak to your audience, but sings to them in your brand's voice. Market-specific mastery. Think of a tool so finely tuned that it resonates with your specific market segment, setting you miles apart from the competition. Trend awareness. Stay ahead with prompts that are not just current but cutting edge, reflecting trends and consumer behaviors in real time. Creativity unleashed. Bid farewell to writer's block. Our prompts are like a muse for your marketing, igniting innovative ideas and distinctive content. Emotional connection. Each prompt is a bridge to your customer's heart, building deeper, more meaningful relationships with your brand. Cross-platform engagement. From blog posts to tweets, our prompts amplify your presence across all digital platforms, enhancing your virtual footprint. Continuous improvement. Evolution is key. Our system thrives on feedback, adapting and refining to keep your audience perpetually engaged. Email campaigns revolutionized. Watch your email metrics soar as our personalized prompts resonate directly with your subscribers' needs and interests. But there's more. AutoPromptKit is a trove of time-saving templates, profit-boosting strategies, and insights from seasoned entrepreneurs. It's a toolkit designed not just for today, but for the future of your business. You also get the Prompt Improver system. Our continuous evolution system ensures that your content strategy always stays ahead, adapting and refining with your growing business needs. You get cross-industry versatility, whether you're in tech, healthcare, or retail. AutoPromptKit speaks your language, resonating with any industry. And we cover user-generated content. Amplify your reach with prompts that inspire your audience to share their stories, adding authenticity to your brand narrative. So what's next? 2 paths lie before you, and you can click the buy button below this video. If you're ready to leap into the future of AI-driven business success, take action now. AutoPromptKit is more than a purchase. It's an investment in your business's future. Or 2, if you need more information, scroll down. Dive deeper into the world of AutoPromptKit. Discover how it's not just meeting, but exceeding the content creation needs of businesses like yours. You're at a crossroads. One path leads to the same old, the mundane, the safe. A world where AI is just a buzzword. The other, a path less traveled, where AI is your ally, your tool, your voice. This is the path where AutoPromptKit awaits, ready to redefine the curve in your industry, transforming queries into engagement, engagement into sales, and sales into unprecedented growth. Your journey to becoming an AI communication powerhouse begins now. The question isn't if you're ready, but when. And the answer, it should be now. Because in the world of business, timing isn't just everything. It's the only thing. Make your move. Let AutoPromptKit be the compass guiding your business towards uncharted success. The future isn't just coming. It's here, and it starts with AutoPromptKit. Don't just chase trends, set them. Don't just dream of success, achieve it. AutoPromptKit is your key to unlocking the full potential of AI in your business narrative. The next chapter of your business story is waiting to be written, and it starts with a simple click or a scroll. Don't just chase trends, set them. Don't just dream of success, achieve it. AutoPromptKit is your key to unlocking the full potential of AI in your business narrative. The next chapter of your business story is waiting to be written, and it starts with a simple click or a scroll. Seize this moment. Propel your business forward. With AutoPromptKit, the future of AI-driven business communication isn't just within reach, it's already here.